point are we considered adults as Marshallese people? At what point we set the boundary like, hey, I'm an adult and you're going to respect me as such? Because the way our culture is set up is like, you have to respect your elders no matter what. No matter what. To speak up for ourselves, we're always going to be called judge. I think interacting on Gail and Tele for the past, almost 10 years, it's caused a divide between the generations because whenever the younger generations try to go on there and express something that's wrong, that needs to be fixed in the community or something, it's all those old closed-minded people hopping on the post to go straight to talking and talking down on people. Kids are the future. I feel like elders should listen to kids just as much as kids listen to elders because it's the cycle of life. Bewangela really changed the Marshallese culture because it really showed me and gave me so much insight about our elders. You guys have this tendency to go on there and really be disrespectful to people that don't think the same as you. The admins, okay? I see you guys encouraging more negativity than positivity. Whenever people are ganging up on a member, you just let it be. You actually hop on and encourage that. You don't put a stop to it. Being part of Kaiwanchale for the past almost 10 years really showed me with my own eye that you can be as old as you want and still never grow up. I can approach you with the most respect, and somewhere in the conversation, y'all are going to sneak in condescending energy. Kaiwanchale ruined the culture because whenever we younger people started to go on there and see how all of you guys think as a collective, yeah. And the crazy part is, we're known for having money. So whenever we get online, we expose this part of ourselves that's really like, well, you're like that, and I look up to you. So because of the way that I have opened my eyes from interacting with Rumajo Loke Wenjale, how about this? Respect goes both ways. Age don't mean nothing no more. You get respect when you give respect. Like, you taught us to respect you, but disregard the fact that in the Bible it says you also have to respect us. Everybody needs to change. The world needs to change. The Marshallese community needs to change.